Hey, welcome back to another thrilling episode of Hack Talks. First up, Chinese state hackers target Tibetans with supply chain, watering hole attacks. The China-linked threat actor known as Evasive Panda orchestrated both watering hole and supply chain attacks targeting Tibetan users, at least since September 2023. The end goal of the attacks is to deliver malicious downloaders for Windows and macOS that deploy a known backdoor called MGBot and a previously undocumented Windows implant known as Nightdoor. Moving towards the second news, ex-Google engineer arrested for stealing AI technology, secrets for China. Lin Wei-ding, aka Leon Ding, a former Google engineer who was arrested on March 6, 2024, transferred sensitive Google trade secrets and other confidential information from Google's network to his personal account, while secretly affiliating himself with PRC-based companies in the AI industry, the DOJ said. Last but certainly not least, new Python-based snake info stealer spreading through Facebook messages. Facebook messages are being used by threat actors to distribute a Python-based information stealer, dubbed Snake, that's designed to capture credentials and other sensitive data. Cybereason researcher Kotaro Ogino said in a technical report, the credentials harvested from unsuspecting users are transmitted to different platforms such as Discord, GitHub, and Telegram. And that's all for today. We will catch up in the next video. I'm your host Jenna, signing off from Hack Talks. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep innovating.